Is the yen out of favor as a carry currency now? Takaichi-san's entry as Japan's PM had a significant impact on Japanese government bonds or JGBs. Yield curves were seen shifting up by around 30 basis points across maturities from the levels seen during May 2025 when JGB yield rise concerns were prevalent. Now remember, we wrote and spoke about it months ago here and here. Carry trades have thin profit margins. To make larger profits from carry trades, investors take on heavy leverage, and therefore, even a slight unfavorable forex move can wipe out these profits fairly quickly. When markets sensed a political shift in Japan, they seemed sure that more fiscal spending was in the offing, and more fiscal spending meant that the government would need to borrow much more money from the markets by issuing sovereign bonds or JGBs. And when the fiscal stimulus was announced at $135 billion, JGB yields saw a sharp rise, and this reduced the yield spreads greatly. Even from May 2025, one could have noticed an obvious divergence between yen movement and the yield spreads. With all the noise around fiscal spending, yen volatility increased and pushed value at risk models and risk managers to deleverage their existing positions. Therefore, while carry trades are still statistically viable, risks associated with these carry trades are no longer seen as acceptable, shifting markets' focus to other carry currencies like you see in this chart. In all of this, one must remember that the narrowing spread trends were visible to the markets all along. A key point to note here is that these carries we speak of are more sensitive to currency volatility than shift in spread trends. And high volatility, therefore, was a carry killer of stocks. High real rates because of rising inflation, fiscal risks from a $135 billion bond finance stimulus, and the BOJ's inertia to raise rates amidst high inflation brought credibility concerns for the yen.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.